your friendly neighborhood station. Radio Natin, friendly neighborhood station. Radio Natin. Radio Natin, your friendly neighborhood station. Radio Natin.
Iisa lang ang radyo. Ito ang DZRH at Radyo Natin Network Headline News.
Radio Natin.
Get hooked. Get hooked.
Monday.
Get high. Get high.
Tuesday.
Get it on.
Thursday. Party.
This is Tugstuga Nation. Tugstuga Nation.
Friday. Party. Weekend.
The country's friendly station. Radio Natin.
Rock and country hits. All the best on Radio Natin.
And the KBP Golden Dove Award for the Best FM Radio Station Provincial goes to
Radio Natin Network, Manila Broadcasting Company.
Sa ngalan po ng Manila Broadcasting Company, ang aming Chairman, Mr. Fred J. Lizalde, ang aming Presidente, Mr. Junic Dao, taus-pusong pasasalamat ang aming ipinapaabot sa KBP. Salamat po sa papuri, salamat sa karangalan, at salamat sa inspirasyon.
Yung award po na ito, inaalay po namin una sa lahat sa ating Panginoon. Pangalawa sa lahat po ng mga announcers, mga DJs po natin, mga technician, mga radio partners at mga station managers, lalong-lalo na po sa mahigit 12 million listeners po ng ating estasyon sa Luzon, Visayas at Mindanao at nasa labas din po ng ating bansa. Maraming salamat po.
Happy holidays from Radio Natin.